Assalamualaikum. Today we will be learning about tawus. We also learn when it will be read. We must read tawus before reading the Holy Quran. We must read tawus to enter Allah's protection against Shaitan. So are you ready to learn tawus? The word of tawus are A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. उर्दू तर्जमा, मैं पनाह लेती हूँ अल्लाह की शैतान मरदूद से. Let's learn it again. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hope you will learning the tawus. If you like the video, then remember to like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.